Hello, hi, it's Sharon here. And in this video, I'd like to share with you how you can give yourself the liver flow from Jin Shin Jyutsu. Okay, so as we go along, I invite you just to first of all relax, drop your shoulders, and follow my voice, follow my steps, and as I take you through this particular energy flow. Okay, so the first step is you're going to place your left hand at the base of the skull on left safety energy lock number 4. Don't need to worry about the numbers at this stage, but just holding the base of the neck there with your left hand, while your right hand is going to go on under the collarbone. So this is our first step. So I just invite you just to find a comfortable hold for yourself. You don't need to squeeze or press. You're literally just allowing that circuit of energy just to happen. So we're just going to spend a few minutes here with this first step. And as you're doing this for yourself, just simply become aware of your breath, of your breathing. And just allow any thoughts just to dissolve. Just allowing the body to drop into deep relaxation. And anytime we do Jin Shin Jyutsu, the first step, as we're doing here, is always a sort of a shortcut, if you like, for the whole flow. So you can always just give this particular hold to yourself anytime that you want to just do this as a kind of a shortcut for yourself. Okay. But as we're going to go through the whole flow today, I invite you to go move to the next step. Keeping the left hand at the base of the skull, we're now going to move the right hand down to the base of the right rib cage. So just finding a comfortable hold for yourself. This is safety energy lock number 14. And just dropping the shoulders, breathing out. There's nowhere you need to be apart from right here. As you bring your awareness to your breath, you can almost imagine that as you're breathing out down the front of the body. The exhale goes down the front. And as you breathe in, just imagine that energy is coming up the back. So we're breathing down the front and up the back. Down the front and up the back. And for our next step, keeping the hand at the base of the skull, we're now going to move the right hand over to the inside of the left knee. Just find a comfortable hold for yourself. So you've just crossed over to place the right hand on the inside of the left knee. And there we go, once more dropping the shoulders, breathing out. Just be the smile. Breathing down the front and up the back. Down the front. Up the back. Down the front. And up the back. Now keeping the left hand at the base of the left knee. We're now going to move the right hand and take it to the inside of the left ankle. So it's just simply just finding a comfortable hold on the inside of the left ankle. Just whatever way feels comfortable for you. Once again, dropping the shoulders and breathing out. There's no way you need to be. There's nothing you need to do. Simply be here now. Now releasing that hold on the inside of the ankle, you're going to take the right hand and you're just going to let it gently rest in the left palm. So we're keeping that hold, keeping that hold there, just keeping that hold at the base of the skull. But now we're just gently allowing that, the opposite hand just to rest. Once again, dropping the shoulders and breathing out. When you do this for yourself, you can just allow as long as you wish on each of the energy locks. Work to your own rhythm. And then our final step, we're going to take the left hand from the left fore and take it round to the back of the skull on the right side there. So we're kind of, it's like we're cradling the head. My hands are the way. Cradling the 4 at the back of the head and holding the 18 at the base of the thumb. And just find whatever way feels comfortable for you. This could be really nice to do for yourself, laying down. It's really nice to give yourself a liver flow when you're laying down. Dropping the shoulders, breathing out. Just let the breath go down the front and up the back. Down the front and up the back. Down the front and up the back. And when you feel you want to, just release that hold. And there we are. Liver flow. Okay, so hope you find that helpful. Hope you have a chance to experience that yourself in your own time. If you want to do the opposite side, you just literally just do a mirror image. So I'm just going to walk you through that right now. So you would place the right hand on the right fore. And while you're holding here at the left, it's 22 at the left collarbone. So that would be your first step. Okay, your next step would be to take the hand down to the base of the rib cage. And your next step would be to take this hand and take it to the inside of the opposite knee. then to the inside of the opposite ankle. And then to the palm. And the last step, you take the hand to the base of the skull, the opposite side. And there's your liver flow. Okay, and a nice, easy other way of doing this, if you want to, a sort of a quick version of that, is to simply hold the middle finger. So you hold the middle finger, drop your shoulders, and breathe out. You can simply do that anytime. Okay, so there we go. So hope you enjoy that. Hope you get a chance to do that for yourself. Bye for now.